Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a table of contents in Google Docs. Now this is fairly simple. All you have to do really is have your text here. Doesn't matter what text styles that you're using or fonts that you're using, it's going to change anyway. Yeah, let's go ahead and begin with a title here. The way you're going to do this, you're going to head over to the styles and then you're going to go ahead and choose title. So go ahead and click that over there, and don't worry about the text. You can definitely adjust that later. After that, you can head over to the next part, say this one, the introduction, and then we're gonna go ahead and apply, say for example, a subtitle, or if not, you can apply a heading. So I'm gonna go ahead and choose heading here. So this is gonna be heading 1, and then down the heading 1, you are going to have here another thing. So this is going to be your heading 2. And then down below, you see there's 1.1, 1.2, and 1.3. Let's go ahead and highlight those. And we're going to go ahead and choose to apply heading 3. So we have applied 1 as heading 2. Let's go ahead and apply this as heading 3. Now, essentially what it does is that you should see this one, the tabs. If you're going to open that one, you should be able to see that now we have a working table of contents now. So as you can see, this is the title, this is the introduction, and then down below you have here the heading 3. Now you can go ahead and continue. Again, this is going to be our heading 2. And then down here, let's go ahead and choose these as heading 3. All right, there you go. Now, what I mean by changing the text later on at the end is this one. So you can go ahead and highlight everything, and then you can go ahead and click this one right here and choose, say for example, Arial. And then let's say the text style or the text size is going to be 13. You can definitely adjust that one. And if you're gonna see here, it's going to have the same heading or assignment that you have assigned earlier. Same thing with the text. You can definitely choose to change color there. You can go ahead and click this, click black, and there you go. So yep, that is the simplest way on how to create a table of contents here in Google Docs.